Hey everyone, so today we're gonna have a look at this sewing toolbox. My girlfriend found it in the streets, and basically the only thing which is broken are these top parts here. So we will place them and put a nice finish on it and then use it again. So after I removed all the screws, I'm now able to disassemble the whole thing here. And basically start with the repair of these upper part. Actually I have no idea why they originally built this way, because you lose a lot of space with this part here. So what I will do is put a new top on it and add 2 hinges here so that you can open the complete thing. So I cut the new top to size and used the round over bit to round over these edges here. And now the next thing is to fit the hinges here. So we decided on the finish. The whole thing will be white, but this handle here will be stained, and also the top parts will be stained. So for that I need to sand especially this handle here, which actually is nice because you can, and it's only attached with these dowels here. So probably I will also stain these dowels, and you have this nice detail here that you have a stained wood part in a white handle. And then also a light sanding for the rest of the box in preparation for the painting. And I also remove the handle from the outside here. I'm not sure if it's a good idea, we'll see if it's still practical. If not, I keep them and attach them later. So I've put 2 coats of this DIY off-white chalk paint on it. If you're interested in this paint, I link a video here on the description. And now I will assemble the thing, give it a light sanding, and then the final coat with this color. And that's it. I used 2 coats of DIY chalk paint. If you're interested in this chalk paint, I link a video here. I sanded in between, and the top is stained, and I used the oil finish with the waxing at the end.